Hello, this is Jay, and I'm going to talk about chemistry of onion, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to start with taste test with raw onion, garlic, and gingers. So when I cut into onions, it makes me cry because there is a form of some compounds inside the onion. When it's diced or sliced, these compounds get released into air, and it's actually some kind of form of sulfuric acid, and it irritates the eye. That's why it's making me cry. So I'm going to try these raw onions, garlic, and ginger. So first, onions. It's actually pretty sweet, but it actually gets spicy if you eat a lot of them. But this is actually not bad. Actually, there is a lot of sugar in onions. Now it's ginger. No, actually garlic, sorry. And then garlic, the first taste is actually spicy. And now it's ginger. Ginger is actually the spiciest, most spicy. And their texture is pretty somewhat similar, but actually onions and garlic come from same family, or genus, which is allium. So now I'm going to cook. Always get ready. Just a little bit of onion and garlic and ginger. So I can't just cook the onions and other stuff on it, so I'm gonna put some olive oil. I'm going to start with onions. Next, I'm going to cook garlic. For the last one, it will be ginger. So I finished cooking. Especially ginger shrink a lot, but I'm going to try these. So I'm going to start with onions. I can definitely taste the oil, but also the sweetness. Actually, why don't you try it too? No? Okay. And I'm going to try these well done garlic. These are almost, I think I kind of burnt or something. But I can definitely taste the garlic taste as well. A little bitter, I think, because I burnt. Last but not least, ginger. Ginger still has the spiciness into it. Not much sweetness. A little bit, I guess. But everything else, everything actually has a little bit of sweetness at least. Especially onion has the most sweetness, I think. Alright, now I'm going to explain. So onion and garlic, both comes from allium genus, but onion species called Allium cepa, whereas garlic is called Allium sativum. This is a drawing, but for onion, it especially has a lot of sugar content, and when it's cut into and half or cooked, it releases a chemical called diacetyl. This is the structure. And that diacetyl is actually used in many different foods and has a buttery taste, which is what makes onion very delicious and buttery sweet with sugar. Whereas garlic, it has allicin, it has a sulfur, so that's what makes garlic very smelly. Also, when it's cooked or cut, this allicin bonds broken down and turn into something else with sulfur, and that's what makes it very smelly. But also, garlic has some sugar, so it has some sweetness to it as well. And ginger's genus is called gingiber, and also its species has the same name to it. And this is wine, And ginger has many known chemical compounds. There's a gingerol, gingiber, shampoo, cardol, especially gingerol. This is how it looks, and that's what it makes sweet and spicy.
That's pretty much it.